Can you imagine a future where artificial intelligence is as commonplace as smartphones are today? Imagine the year 2024, a time when artificial intelligence, or AI, is as ubiquitous as the air we breathe. It's in our homes, our offices, even in our pockets. It's no longer the stuff of futuristic sci-fi movies or the dream of tech gurus. It's an integral part of our day-to-day lives, transforming the way we live, work, and play. The world has seen rapid advancements in technology over the last few decades. We've leaped from the era of hefty computers to sleek smartphones, from dial-up internet to lightning-fast 5G, and from simple software to complex AI algorithms. And this is just the beginning. AI is not just about robots performing human tasks. It's about systems that can learn, understand, and think. It's about machines that can make decisions, solve problems, and even create art. From healthcare to finance, from education to entertainment, AI is revolutionizing every industry you can think of. Coding, the language of computers, is the backbone of this AI revolution. It's the tool that enables us to communicate with machines, to tell them what to do, and to build powerful AI systems. It's a skill as vital as reading and writing, a new form of literacy for the digital age. The dominance of AI and coding is not just changing the job market, but also our everyday life. We use AI assistants to manage our schedules, AI algorithms to recommend movies, even AI systems to drive our cars. Our world is becoming a symphony of code and algorithms, a dance of humans and machines. The future is not just about using AI, but understanding it. Not just about consuming technology, but creating it. It's about being fluent in the language of the future, the language of AI and coding. If you think this future sounds like science fiction, you might be surprised to find that it's closer than you think. What if you could command this future technology as easily as you use your phone? Imagine the possibilities that would unfold. The world of artificial intelligence and coding is not as daunting as it may seem, and by embracing these skills, you can unlock a realm of opportunities. In the job market of tomorrow, being proficient in AI and coding will be as essential as reading and writing are today. It doesn't matter whether you're an artist, a scientist, a doctor, or a business professional. The ability to understand and apply AI will give you a competitive edge. It will help you stay relevant, make data-driven decisions, and achieve greater efficiency in your work. But the power of AI and coding extends far beyond just enhancing your career prospects. These skills can fundamentally transform the way you approach problems. Coding teaches you to break down complex issues into manageable parts, to think logically, and to persist until you find a solution. It's like learning to think in a new language, a language that can help you make sense of the increasingly data-driven world around us. And then there's the most exciting part. With AI and coding, you're not just a passive consumer of technology. You become a creator and innovator. You can build your own apps, design interactive websites, or even create a virtual assistant tailored to your needs. The power to shape technology is in your hands. You can contribute to the development of new, groundbreaking tools that can solve some of the world's most pressing problems. So, why learn AI and coding? Because it's not just about understanding the technology that is quickly becoming a part of our everyday lives. It's about leveraging that understanding to innovate, to solve problems, and to create a better future. Being fluent in AI and coding isn't just about keeping up with the times. It's about shaping the future. And that's a power each one of us can wield. But what happens when you don't understand the technology that's shaping your world? In an era where artificial intelligence and coding are becoming the backbone of our society, ignorance isn't simply a lack of knowledge, it's a perilous pitfall. Let's delve into the potential threats of remaining uninformed about these dominant forces. First, consider privacy. Without understanding how AI works, you're essentially walking blindfolded into a digital landscape. Your data, everything from your personal information to your online behavior, is a goldmine for AI systems. They learn from it, they adapt to it, but without your understanding of the process, you cannot control it. Your digital footprint can be tracked, manipulated, even exploited, all without your consent or knowledge. It's like handing over the keys to your home without knowing who's on the other side of the door. Next, let's consider misinformation. We live in an era where fake news is rampant, and AI has a significant role to play in this. Sophisticated AI technologies can create convincing deepfakes, manipulated videos or audios that seem real. Without a basic understanding of AI, it's challenging to discern what's authentic from what's artificial. This can lead to widespread confusion, misinformation, and deception. Finally, there's the potential for exploitation. Those who understand AI and coding hold a certain power. If we remain ignorant, we're at risk of being manipulated by those who harbor this knowledge. We become susceptible to practices like data mining or algorithmic discrimination, where AI systems can unfairly target or exclude certain groups. In short, ignorance in the face of advancing technology is not an option. It's a liability. It's akin to jumping into the ocean without knowing how to swim. You're at the mercy of the current, and in this case, the current is a relentless wave of technology that's not slowing down. Staying in the dark isn't just a risk, it's a disadvantage. So, how do we bridge this knowledge gap? Well, the answer is simpler than you might think. It begins with a conversation, but not just any conversation. This is about talking to AI, a skill that is becoming increasingly important in our technologically advanced world. Now, when we say talking to AI, we don't mean having a chat with a robot over a cup of tea. No, talking to AI is about understanding how to interact with and utilize AI technologies through coding. It's about speaking the language of the future, a language that is written in code. Imagine being able to tell a computer exactly what you want it to do, and it does it. You could automate tasks, analyze data, or even create art. The possibilities are virtually endless, and all it takes is a basic understanding of coding. Coding is like the grammar of this new language. It's how we structure our requests and instructions to the AI. And just like learning any language, it can be challenging at first. But with practice, patience, and a little bit of perseverance, anyone can learn to code. In fact, many schools around the world are now incorporating coding into their curriculum, understanding that this is a key skill for the future. But it's not just for the young. Everyone, no matter their age or background, can benefit from learning how to code. And the benefits are manifold. Coding can enhance productivity by automating routine tasks, increase efficiency by optimizing processes, and even boost creativity by providing a new medium for expression. With coding, we can not only talk to AI, but we can also shape it, guide it, and use it to create a better world. So, let's break down those barriers of misunderstanding and fear. Let's embrace the language of the future and start talking to AI. Because when we do, we unlock a world of potential. We empower ourselves and we become active participants in shaping our future. Talking to AI isn't about communicating with robots, it's about harnessing the power of technology. Are you ready to step into the future? A question that's not merely rhetorical, but one that requires a conscious decision, a decision to embrace the exciting world of artificial intelligence and coding, to become a part of this digital revolution. Now, you might be wondering where to start. Well, the good news is there are countless resources at your fingertips. Online platforms like Codecademy, Coursera, and Udacity offer comprehensive courses in AI and coding, many of them free of charge. These platforms offer a mix of theoretical knowledge and practical applications, allowing you to learn at your own pace and in your own time. For those who prefer a more structured approach, universities worldwide are offering degree programs and specialized courses in AI and related fields. Institutions like Stanford, MIT, and Carnegie Mellon are at the forefront, pioneering education in this domain. But learning doesn't stop at formal education. Consider joining online communities and forums where you can interact with like-minded individuals, sharing ideas, projects, and challenges. Websites like Stack Overflow and GitHub are excellent platforms for collaboration and problem solving. And for the younger ones, there are coding bootcamps and workshops designed specifically for children and teenagers. These programs make learning fun, using games and challenges to teach the basics of coding and AI. It's never too early to start. Remember, the goal is not to become a master overnight. Like any other skill, proficiency in AI and coding takes time and practice. It's about understanding the basics, getting comfortable with the concepts, and then building on that foundation. But why is this so important? Because AI is not just about technology, it's about reshaping the world, solving complex problems, and creating a better future. And you can be a part of that. The future is in your hands. Will you shape it, or will it shape you? It's a question only you can answer. The journey might seem daunting, but the rewards are worth it. So, are you ready to take the next step?